Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Fashion Forever. Today we are making a simple paper folding fan that's perfect for hot summer days. I'll guide you through 5 easy steps. Let's get started. Step number 1, prepare materials. A4 paper or any cardboard paper of your choice, Skycer, glue or rubber band, ruler, pencil. Step number 2, fold and cut. Fold paper according to your style, 1-2 inches wide, cut along folds. Step number 3, create fan base. Glue and folds together at one end. Step number 4, attach a stick or paper handle for glue. Step number 5, final touches, decorate and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more DIYs. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.